How to find card number on HSBC app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can find card number on HSBC application. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the application on your mobile device and after that log in by providing your login credentials. If you have entered the correct login credential, you will be logged in. Once you're logged in, on the home screen, tap on card you wish to view. Once you have opened up the card, now click on the option labeled View More under the selected card. Now again select Manage Credit Card from the options provided. After that, tap on the card details to see your card number and other relevant information. By doing so, you will be able to view your card number on the HSBC application. And that's how you can do it, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.